Hello, in this video we are going to look at deleting and destroying our objects. So we got car1, we got car2. It is a good idea and good practice in programming, not just Python, programming in general. When you no longer need an object, get rid of it, destroy it, so it no longer uses memory. So to delete an object, it is really simple. You just do del car1, and that is it. It's just del, which stands for delete, and the name of the instance object. So what I'm going to do is print out the speed of car1 and car2 just to demonstrate this. So it says, look right here, car1 is not defined because we've deleted it. But if I get rid of that and I just do run, that works fine because car2 is independent of car1. So that works a-okay. So obviously that's been deleted. Something else I want to cover as well, and that's a destructor. So like the constructor, which is called at the start of a class, the destructor is called at the end of a class. And what our del method or del command does is called the destructor. So we can actually define the destructor because we have, a default destructor, but we can have our own one if we want to do some extra cleanup. So def underscore del underscore, and it takes a parameter of self, and now inside of here we're going to say it's going to print and say object has been destroyed. I don't want to save it like that. So now if we run it, as you can see, object has been destroyed. Obviously here you could have some extra cleanup, maybe if it's related to other parts of your application. But honestly, that's really, in terms of the core philosophy, the core principle of destroying objects and the destructor in Python and programming in general. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.